Question number 1. The Iranians and the Greeks came through the Option A southeast. Option B northeast. Option C southwest. Option D northwest. The correct answer is option D northwest. Question number 2. Which of the following does not form the natural frontier of the subcontinent? Option A mountains. Option B seas. Option C buildings. Option D hills. The correct answer is option C buildings. Question number 3. Years after the birth of Jesus Christ are counted. Option A forward. Option B backward. Option C upward. Option C upward. The correct answer is option A forward. Question number 4. Records of the past are arranged in which order? Option A mathematical. Option B chronological. Option C geometrical. Option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B chronological. Question number 5. This inscription dates to about 2,250 years ago, and was found in Kandahar, present-day Afghanistan. It was written on the orders of a ruler named Option A Akbar. Option B Ashoka. Option C Ajatashatru. Option D Bimbisara. The correct answer is option B Ashoka. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a tributary of the Ganga? Option A Gomati. Option B Sutlej. Option C Gakra. Option D Gandak. The correct answer is option B Sutlej. Question number 7. The places where rice was first grown. Option A Kurdhar. Option B Garo Hills. Option D Bimbisara. Option D Vindhyas Hills. The correct answer is option D Vindhyas Hills. Question number 8. All dates before the birth of Christ are counted backwards and usually have the letters Option A AC. Option B AD. Option C BC. Option B AD. The correct answer is option C BC. Question number 9. The word India comes from the Indus, called dash in Sanskrit. Option A Bharat. Option B Indica. Option C Sindhu. Option D Indira. The correct answer is option C Sindhu. Question number 1. BP stands for. Option A backward present. Option B before present. Option C backward past. Option D before past. The correct answer is option B before present.
इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए आपका दिल से धन्यवाद। ऐसे ही ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो देखने के लिए अभी तुरंत हमारे इस चैनल लर्न विद ऐपी को सब्सक्राइब करें। हमारा मनोबल बढ़ाए रखने के लिए इस वीडियो को लाइक करें। आपको और कौन कौन से टॉपिक पर ऐसे वीडियो चाहिए हमें कमेंट करके बताएं। इस वीडियो को अपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड को शेयर करें और देखें किसको कितना नॉलेज है। मिलते हैं हमारे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।